Learn how to use Instagram Instant. Let's get started. First, open the Messages tab on Instagram. As you can see, Instagram has launched the Instant feature for live photos. If you want to switch between the front and back camera, use this button. You can also turn on the flashlight by tapping the flash button. You can add a caption by tapping the middle of the camera screen. You can choose to send your instant photo to your friends or others. You can also view your previous instant photos by tapping the box icon. And that's about it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.